how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just right click here in this bar, go to task manager, and now here we'll find all the applications that takes your memory, like Google Chrome. Right click on it and task, and right click and task, and that's it. Close all applications that you don't need, and also close it from here. And now let's move to the next step. Go to settings and then go to gaming, and here turn off Xbox bar, and then game mode, just turn it on, and you can turn it off if you want, but that's it. Just turn it off or on, that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just to start your PC, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.